Okay, I want to show you my pride and joy here. It's a Rock Island Armory, 1911, 22 TCM 9R. Also comes with the 9mm barrel and spring. .22 TCM. Basically, you got a 5.56 round that's been shortened with a 22 bullet basically in there. If you have hand problems like I do, amazing round. So basically, you have about the power of a 9mm. It's about 2,000 feet per second, because that's going to depend on barrel size. 5 inches is normal. This is a 4 1/4 inch commander size, and this carry model. It has an officer's grip, which is a little shorter. This is a fit the whole family pistol. From the youth up to the grandparents. Anybody can shoot this one. In my great search to what I can rack easily, since I have very weak hands, and this I can operate even without the serrations. Normally I need deep serrations. I want it like sandpaper up here. But I came across this one. I love it. Yeah, I had a major stroke. Got it hand working again. Then I had a minor stroke. So that took half my muscle away in my arm again. It sucks. You go in a gun shop and you can't rack almost all the guns. Like I say, I already needed really deep serrations, and put that sandpaper stuff up on it, and so I can get a grip on it, so my hand's not sliding. This one here is no problem. So like I say, kids can rack it, women can rack it. Anybody that doesn't have the strong hands can rack this one. I know a lot of people would say, oh, well, if they have a problem with the rack, and get them a revolver. Well, I'll tell you, that doesn't work out either, because that double action. I found myself, you load up that revolver a few times, and you're trying to go press that trigger. Well, it gets almost impossible. So then you're doing this crap, double fingering it. That's no fun, when you're practicing, and that's no fun. It's not the proper way to do it. This straight trigger is amazing. It's just a easy straight pull back on it. Let's see what else I like about this one. The grip size. Single stack firearms do not work with weak hands. I've probably 8 different pistols trying to find one that'll work for me. A single stack, it'll just slide in the hand. It was horrible. I was stovepiping all the time. This is like the perfect size. You know, this was designed a long time ago, and I gotta say, it was done right the first time. Of course, you can buy different thicknesses here on the grips if you want to tailor it a little more to your hand. But this one is perfect for me. Straight pull back trigger. You can't get any better than that. Of course, you carry this one cocked and locked. And for the people that don't know, you can't fire it. Okay. Let's say that came up when in your holster, your daily work and carrying it around. This is not pressed. It's not going to fire, even with that down. You have to have this pressed in. Then it'll fire. So you got kind of a double safety feature for you. Yeah. Well, you know, a lot of people, oh, I don't want safeties, and well, you don't have to be gung-ho Joe. Me, I don't mind having that safety up. Gives you a little place to rest your thumb right there. Especially new shooters. You know, until they build that confidence up, they like that safety. I did the same when I got into firearms. I kind of went with guns that had a safety on it. When I built my confidence up, yes, I did buy some. I didn't have the I had just the trigger safety. So don't let that steer you away from buying one of these. Now there are a lot of different models. You get the 5-inch with single stacks. You get double stacks in both models. Different barrel lengths and double stack in each of them. You can get one with a longer grip. Different barrel combos, and this is definitely one to look at if you want something that anybody can shoot. I mean, anybody. I really, seriously, I got really weak hands, so if I can shoot this without any problem, anybody can do it. Recoil is like a little more than a 22. It's a lot less than a 380. Definitely a lot less than a 9. This one here does have aluminum frame on it. Trying to touch on all the points here. This came with one mag, 8-rounder. One in the chamber, that'll give you 9. And these are about some extra Kimber magazines, 9mm. Just buy some 9mm magazines, and you can see 22 TCM fits right in there. So you don't have to buy any specialized magazines. It came with a couple test rounds, Allen wrench, this little doodabber here. Not quite sure what all that does. Manual. Some more paperwork and your case. Box. Oh. Seriously, if you like 9, just put the 9 in it. I haven't tried it with the 9. I haven't tried it yet, honestly. I've got plenty of ammo. I can go out and shoot 9 if I want to. But this here is cheaper than 9mm right now. You know, the ammo prices are outrageous as of today, so I can buy this cheaper than 9. Hardly any recoil. That's a big plus for me. But you're feeling froggy, you guys are regular strength hands, there you go. You can buy it with the 9s. Put the 9 in it. You can use it. Anybody else in the family, just put the 22 TCM in it. You're not lacking for power with this little dude. A lot of videos up about that round. You know, I'm sure it'll go through a car door with no problem, windshields and things. So, but I wanted to get this out. That instead of, I guess I wasted my money trying to find something that for the weak-handed person that could shoot and not have any problems. Because I did all the searching and I spent my money. Not that it was a total waste, it was an education. We have far different needs than most people. So, if you want something that really works good, go check this out. Hopefully a range will have one you can try. But to me, it's just an amazing firearm. So, all right, thanks for watching my videos. Let's see what y'all have to say in the comments. Thank you. Bye.